Welcome back to Lightning Problem Solving. Have you solved a problem this week yet? Today we're going to talk about why Six Sigma is so slow. First of all, I love lean manufacturing, and Lean Six Sigma has its place too. They are very powerful and very useful, and they've saved lots of companies money, and they've made lots of companies way more efficient. But in this particular video, I want to explain to you why lots of companies prefer to hire lightning fast problem solvers instead of the run-of-the-mill Six Sigma black belts. I also have my Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt certification. So who better to trust than me when I tell you that the Lean Six Sigma way of solving problems is too slow? Trust the expert. It's just too slow. Another way to look at it is, do you want to be trained by Jet Li? Or do you want to be trained by Chris Farley trying to be like Jet Li? So let's get to the point. Why is Six Sigma problem solving too slow? So here's the problem. There's about 37 tools listed in Six Sigma, including 5S, Kaizen, and DOEs. Some of these tools are good for the overall day-to-day quality of your plant. But most all of these tools demonstrate a very slow way to solve problems. Everyone I've worked with that considers themselves Lean Six Sigma black belts look at problems differently than I do. Here are 6 of the main things I see with Lean Six Sigma problem solvers. They will, number 1, plan long DOEs. One time I had a company hire me to do a 300 variable DOE. Guys, that is crazy. Generally, you should never do more than 3 variables in your DOE. But anyway. Number 2, they focus too much on slow, continuous improvement. Number 3, they spend entirely too much time planning instead of just getting the work done. Number 4, they set up meetings and give long presentations explaining why they need to do something simple in a complex way. Number 5, they always want to justify why their work is going to take so long instead of just getting the work done. Number 6, they want to give hour-long updates when it really should only take 5 minutes. You can solve every problem with a long DOE and slow continuous improvement. And yes, theoretically, there are instances where if a problem cannot be solved a simple way, a more complex way is possibly needed. But in my entire problem-solving career, I've never seen that yet. The managers that know me will hand me the project and I will solve it quickly every time. What companies really need is fast problem solving, not long DOEs. This is because the majority of problems don't need a long DOE. You probably won't come across a problem that will actually benefit from a long DOE, but maybe once in a couple of years. The rest of the problems can be solved quickly using lightning problem solving methods. Seriously, up to 90% of the problems I've witnessed could have been solved in 3 short days. You can check out my video on how to solve a project in 3 days if you're curious on how we do that. I recommend every company I work with to have 1 trained problem solver for every 50 employees. But I don't want my trainees to go through Six Sigma training. I've seen too many people that would have been good problem solvers turn into solution hunters and ramblers. Here at Lightning Problem Solving, we are always fast, and we always solve problems based on cold, hard data, never emotion. If this video has helped you, be sure to click like, subscribe to my channel, so you'll never miss out on any lightning problem solving pointers. Comment below if you also think Six Sigma is too slow. Thanks for watching and happy problem solving.